Hi guys, nice to see you again. This is Joseph Kim and welcome to Joseph's Basic Korean Bible class. Alright, today we are going to learn three expressions as usual. First one, I'll take the fifths. I'll take the fifths. No comment. Same meaning. I'll take the fifths. No comment. Alright, how do you say in Korean? 묵비권을 행사할게요. 묵비권을 행사할게요. 묵비권을 행사할게요. 묵비권. 묵비권 means the right that you don't say anything, right? In front of the detective, okay? So before detective, you are with the detectives, and detective says, hey, you did this, you did right? Tell us. Then you can say, I'll take the fifth. No comment. That's 묵비권, right? 을 is like a beaver, is. 행사할게요. 행사할게요 means I'll use it. I will use it. So, 묵비권을 행사할게요. 묵비권을 행사할게요. 묵비권을 행사할게요. 묵비권을 행사할게요. 묵비권을 행사할게요 means, which literally means, I will use the right to, don't say anything, okay? I'll use the right that I don't say anything. So, I'll take the fifth, no comment. So, 묵비권을 행사할게요. Repeat after me. 묵비권을 행사할게요. 묵비권을 행사할게요. 묵비권을 행사할게요. Great. Second one. I wouldn't dream of it. I wouldn't dream of it. I wouldn't dream of it. Oh my God, I wouldn't dream of it. How do you say in Korean? Such as, like, for example, did you dream of marrying Jane? Hey, like you, handsome person and a rich person like you deserves to have a chance to marry the Jane, girl like Jane. Why not? You're handsome, you're rich. Hey, you can marry Jane. Then you can say, I wouldn't dream of it. No, I wouldn't dream of it. How do you say in Korean? 그건 꿈도 꾸지 않았어. 그건 꿈도 꾸지 않았어. 그건 꿈도 꾸지 않았어. 그건, that is, 꿈. 꿈 means dream. 꾸지 않았어. 꾸지 않았어 means wouldn't dream. So, 그건 꿈도 꾸지 않았어. 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 I wouldn't dream of it. I wouldn't dream of it. I wouldn't dream of it. Alright, very good. Last one. Whose side are you on? Whose side are you on? Hey, which side are you on? Whose side are you on? How do you say in Korean? 누구 편이니? 누구 편이니? 누구 편이니? 누구 means who. 편 means side. 이니 is like a is it something, is it? So 누구 편이니? 누구 편이니? 누구 편이니? Whose side are you on? Whose side are you on? Whose side are you on? 누구 편이니? 누구 편이니? 누구 편이니? Perfect. Okay, so when you keep practicing it, Korean will be yours. And Korean will be approaching you very easily. All right. Good job today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.